Chronic health issues. Thank you to Susan, who posted that her daughter had her gallbladder removed when she was 12. Okay, now I feel like I am not totally alone because the doctors took the gallbladder out of my daughter when she was 9. 15 years ago, my life and my kids' life was a hot mess. Whether it's you or it's your children that are struggling with your health, I'm here to tell you things can be better. Number one key place to start is by eating cleaner. Your diet does not have to be perfect, but most people need some major improvement. You can screenshot my Eat to Live lifestyle guide here, or grab that off of the resource page of my website at newdaywholehealth.com. Second thing to focus on is the gut. 75 to 80% of our immune system lies within the lining of the small intestine. Also, if you are struggling with chronic colds, flus, strep throat, ear infections, diarrhea, constipation, think about glandular therapy. Glandular therapy is actually very inexpensive and can make a huge difference. The theory of glandular therapy is like supports like. So using desiccated animal tissue like this thymus, because the thymus is the master gland of the immune system, was super helpful for my daughter when she was 9 and struggling with those chronic infections. For me, because I was having a lot of autoimmune issues and thyroid issues, I used this Immunoplex, which is a combination of pancreas, adrenal, thymus, and spleen. You can see these and all my other favorite things on the shop page of my website at newdaywholehealth.com.